Let's go in and check it out.
Okay.
It's a Winnebago
This is a Winnebago.
Boldt.
I see it.
B-O-D-T.
Did you see it?
B-O-D-T.
B-O-D-T.
4x4 at that.
Yes. So this thing's going to get you moving. What I always love is that the front seats will swivel, so that brings you into your living space. Tables, which means I would have a place to work. And then there's also a table over here, so there's plenty of space. I love these kind of seats because you can sit this way. You can also sit this way, so that you can be involved with people all around. There's a little cubby here for your hats, gloves, maybe flip-flops. Down here is a microwave, just regular microwave. Down below, induction cooktop, single burner, a decent sized sink with a cover.
In 400 feet, turn
I've
left
seen-
onto Washington Avenue.
I'm going to turn off my GPS. I've seen full-size RVs with sinks smaller than that, so that's pretty cool. A movable storage rack here. Lots of overhead storage. Oh, nice cubbies. And those go 2, 3, 4, 5 this size, and then over here is a really nice size one. I'm trying to get it open. There you go. With adjustable shelves, so that's pretty cool. And then this is a conversational sort of a area, but clearly it would make out into a really nice sized bed as well. And did we notice I can stand up? Tim, you're standing up as well, and you're 6'6'1". I'm 5'10", and I've got on a slight heel, so that's awesome. There is a refrigerator here down below. I don't know if I can open it. I can open it. There. Okay. Oh, what a great lock. Okay, so not only does it lock like a regular fridge, but then there's that extra lock for when you're traveling. Then finally, here's the money maker. If I can open it. Here. Oh. It's a bifold.
But
Can't
right
figure it
behind
out.
your head there is some good space.
Oh,
right
wow. You know what? The way that was colored, it looked like it was just a black wall, but it's actually tons of overhead storage. So that's cool too.
So this
Want
is
this
the
back?
Winnebago B-O-L-D-T Boldt, and pricey, I'm sure of it.
Yeah.
It looks pretty. It's pretty nice. It's for us, it's a little cramped, but
Yeah.
for somebody else, this would be a great rig.
Really good.